Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you was sent over by Viking, and it is a bug sponge. So if you are looking to clean either like your outdoor windows or clean the windows of your car, the grill of the car, and you get bugs, you maybe live out in the country, this is going to be a big lifesaver. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's just a standard sponge, but then it has this like microfiber kind of mesh bag over it. And it gets in there and it can get all those bug guts. It does a really good job with cleaning. It also holds a lot of soap in there and kind of water, which means you can just really get it all nice and suddy. But more importantly, it gets all those bug guts out. Now, it is gentle enough to clean the windows, clean the car finish, clean either your house or your car without leaving any scratches because it's got a nice enough soft material. To give you an idea of the size of the little sponge here, it is about 6 inches in length and it is about 4 inches wide, and it's almost like 2 inches in thickness. But overall, it is really, really great little sponge. Works very well, fits comfortably in the hand. As you can see, it has a nice size. Like I said, I love to use it on my house's windows and also on the front of my car to get rid of all those bug guts. So if you're in the market of making cleaning a little bit easier, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.